In this video, I'll show you how to change name servers on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, this is what the dashboard should look like. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to domains. And on the domains, we're going to click on the domain that we want to change the name server for. Now, once that's loaded, on the left side where it says domain list, we're going to go to DNS and we're going to go to domain name servers. Now, here we have the default Squarespace domain name servers. Now, if you want to update this, what we can do is we can go to use custom name servers. And once we are done verifying that we own their account, it's gonna allow us change the name server. It's gonna ask you to input the name servers in 2 slots. Now you can input a name server here, input another one here, and if you have more name servers, you can click on add name server, add name server, input as much as you want, and you click on save. Says I've entered the same name server. You're gonna have to add 2 name servers, and once you're done, you click on save. This is going to change, and the name servers are going to display here. Now that's how to change name servers on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.